This is our vegetables, broccoli and cauliflower with king crabs. So, ayan, dito na din. Ihat ko kay natin kay pangit malakay. Ayan. Takpan natin. Recipes for tonight, broccoli with king crabs. American food, a lot of ingredients, so masarap. That's it. I cook rice too. For rice. Delicious rice. That's good. So, medyo hinog-hinog na yung apple mango ko, kaya ko pa nakain yesterday. So, magyan ako ng banana. Nagdampot rin ako ng soup natin with sauce. Ang shrimp natin. Marami dito sa loob. Burger, beef. Yan, yung cake natin. Big cake, chocolate soto. Ito lang na-interview. Tapos natin sa area. Ito, yung crabs na natin crabs. So, ayan. Yung chocolate hindi pa naubos. Mga fruits sa ilalim. Fruits. Mga food blender. This